welcome and a very good day to everyone's watching. And in this video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to add equations in Microsoft Word. Most of the time, if you're doing your assignments or lab reports, you're probably just going to copy and paste from Google and any other search engines. So in this video, we're gonna be looking on how to add equations on just Microsoft Word so that it looks better and your assignment would get full marks. Yes, so let's get started, shall we?
And we're gonna click on the insert tab right here, and on the right side you're gonna see equation, and then you're gonna click on it and it will show some built-in equations that you can use. Say you want to use the area of the circle right here, so just click on it and it will be added into your documents. But if there's none of the equation that you wanted, you can also click here, more equations from office.com, and it will give you a lot more equations to choose from. So if you want to use any, so let's say Newton's second law, just click on it and it will be added to your document. But then if there's none that you wanted from those two, you can click on the insert new equations, and then you can type your own equations manually. You have multiple functions there. You have matrices, fractions, script. So let's say you're gonna do fraction, let's do 3/4 here. Just gonna click on it and type it in, and well, yeah, you'll get your equations. We have multiple symbols as well: times, divide, more than, less than, and all sorts of things. So this is for basic math. But if you click on this, you're gonna get Greek letters as well: alpha, beta, gamma, and all sorts of things. Multiple things as well: operations, geometry, and all sorts of symbols right there. So let's say, say you want to type in an equation, insert new equation. Say let's go for polynomial equations. Yeah, so click on script here, and as you can see, you can type in a x to the power of 2 or x squared. You get it? So yeah, again, you can type it manually if you want. There's a bunch of symbols, a bunch of functions that you can use. Say integrals, add integrals, brackets, and honestly all sorts of things is there. But there's another way. If you have the tools for it, you can also click on insert equation, and then you can click on ink equation. What this basically do is you write your equation on the space provided, and then it will add the equation into your documents from what you wrote. So my handwriting is gonna be a bit bad because I don't have the tools for it. So let's say write 3x plus 2. So if you're satisfied with it, you can just go insert, and then the equation will be inserted into the documents. This is way easier, but then again, if you have the tools for it, say drawing pads and all sorts of things. So as shown before, there's multiple ways you can add equations, and yeah. So in this practice, we're gonna write the general quadratic equation. So the first way is we're gonna type in the equations. So the general quadratic equation is gonna have a polynomial, so we're gonna add script, so ax squared, and then we're gonna go plus bx plus c. You can just type it in. Okay, that's for type equation. So for the second example, we're gonna try ink the equation. So let's just write ax squared. We're gonna write it by one by one, plus bx plus c. Again, this will be easier if you have the tools for it. So yeah, that's the equation, the inserted equation. So we have done this by two ways: typing it in and writing it. So now your equation looks better.
So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope after this you can write your own Word document with a very good equation. And bye guys, see you on the next video, I guess. Bye.